reminds us of two periods that we should keep in our mind. It is very difficult to tell you each and everything in nutshell about our history. But children, we must know. And if we don't know, then we are thankless creatures. Before 1947, we were ruled by Britishers. In our own homes, we were slaves. Not only these children, for 1000 years, we were slaves in this country. So this date reminds us that from this day onward, we became free citizens of this free country. Children, please don't make noise. Children sitting here, you are brave children, and this day deserve that you should show your bravery. During these
Yes, children are asked to come here. Hurry up.
come.
2 minutes. Hurry up. Immediately.
Can take now. No? Can take.
Yes.
Can I sit?
Please come.
But only 2 minutes.
Aye.
2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. Please be seated. Not to make noise. Without blessing from our leader, you will not be get blessed properly. Yes, children, please listen. Pay attention. Once again, बैठ के सावधान. विश्राम. सावधान. विश्राम. सावधान. Yes, other children, pay attention.
Okay, thank you, sir. Children, we should know what is slavery. If only this thing you understand, you will understand the pain of the people who were working, who were living under British rule. You should read history in detail. But one thing I would like to tell you, that before 1700 AD, India was contributing 1/3 to 1/4 in global GDP. In 1700, GDP of England was less than GDP of our country. In 1700, India was more powerful in terms of economy than England. In 1700, US was one of the poorest countries. During these 300 years, 2.5 years, what happened to our country, we should know. All types of oppressions were wreaked upon us. Every drop of the blood of economy of our country was sucked by the Britishers. And so, when India became free, we were again suffering people, poor country. From that time onward, we are trying to become emerging nation. From that time onward, we are trying to become developing nation. And those who have looted us, those who have exploited us, they claim to be our leaders. They claim to be our superior. Children, we have to know this thing, that we were rich. Again we will become rich by sheer hard work, quality education, and our hard and predictive thinking. We have to forecast. We have to forecast what our future is like, what we have to do in future. All the responsibility will be on your shoulders. Now we are a free citizen of this free country. During these 75 years, we have developed in all fields: economy, medicine, education, self-dependence in all fields. In women's empowerment, we have excelled much. Still, we have to face many difficulties. We have to overcome many difficulties. So those children, you will be future officers, teachers, historians, and what not. And the burden of this country and the responsibility of this country will be on your shoulders. You have to become independent thinker, you have to become leader, you have to become scientist, and that's why I request all of you to be proud citizen of this country, to make this country great. Children, when our country became free, we should also know that our country was divided. Our country was made in two parts. Later on, country became three: India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. So those are also our brothers who are against us.
Take from this.
Today, we have to keep in our mind that those brothers should unite together. There should not be much more partisan, fragmentation of this country, and we should be a strong nation, a strong power. We have a very powerful central government. They are keeping all the time heads of all citizens of this country high in all respect. So children, for you, the responsibility is that you should get quality education. You should understand what you read in your textbook. Whatever you read in textbook, you should try to practice it. You should try to practice in your life. You should try to practice in your society. In that way only, you will make our country higher and higher, to reach higher and higher, to gain more and more power in world economy. We believe in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. We believe in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Whole world is our family. With this idea, we have to go forward. Today we should take place that we will conquer all the obstacles that will come our way, and we will make our country superpower, world leader, Vishwa Guru in coming time very soon. Jai Hind.